BSc in Psychology at the University of Galway is a 4-year programme. So the BSc in Psychology focuses on human behaviour and mental processes. You'll learn about individual personality factors, cognitive psychology, so how the brain functions, social psychology, the psychology of group processes, as well as research methods of biological psychology and a range of other topics.
In first year, you take 2 art subjects along with psychology, and the psychology section of the course is very foundational. You get a lot on the key principles of psychology and some of the underlying theory. Then as you move into second year, there's a big emphasis on group work. There's lots of collaborative work in second year. You kind of start to narrow down your areas of interest.
The modules start off really broad, then they kind of scaffold on each other. So you get a taster of everything, but you also kind of develop a confidence, and then you get to apply that in the research project in final year.
In your degree, you won't just learn what we know, you'll learn how we know it. And that means studying research methods. This involves learning how psychologists collect data, design studies, and analyse that data using statistical tools. It might sound technical, but it's really essential. Research methods then is the foundation for everything else you'll learn in psychology.
I guess in Leaving Cert I would have thought of psychology as kind of a pop psychology, but it's definitely a greater focus on scientific method and scientific rigour.
I studied psych studies in first year, so I did it through arts, and then based on first year results I was put straight into denominated psychology, so it was like an alternative route, but it was definitely really valuable because I was able to just decide for certain that psychology was what I wanted to do.
The highlights of the course, it's been getting to know the people around me, working together as teams in different aspects of psychology, not just research but also with presentations and studying as well.
So one of the unique aspects about studying psychology at the University of Galway is the CAME programme. So CAME is a peer mentoring programme where first year students meet on a weekly basis with second year students who then advise them based on their own experience of doing the course.
And then third year, half of it is placement or Erasmus, and the other half is kind of more vocational disciplines where you get to go out into the community. There's lots of community psychology, consumer psychology for people who are interested in.
I, for example, got to shadow a clinical psychologist in the Children's Hospital in Tala. It was very eye-opening because it helped me to realise that clinical psychology is the route that I would like to go on. It's definitely helpful in defining career paths for myself in the future.
And then final year, a lot of it is conducting your final year research project. So you get to pick a topic you're interested in, work with the supervisor within the school and work on that.
For anyone considering the University of Galway, I would say that the environment here, not just in psychology but in the college as a whole, is very welcoming, it's inclusive. The course has given me a really good understanding of how to critically analyze research and information, and it gives me a very broad understanding of various topics, no matter what they may be and where I may go, it'll be applicable.